Hello friend, in this video I will tell you how you can use crypto.com. Crypto.com is a Bitcoin and altcoin exchange. You can buy and sell cryptocurrency. You can buy Bitcoin and altcoin. And there's a crazy airdrop for crypto.com. If you sign up, this is the mobile app, and if you stake 1000 CRO, it's a coin of this exchange, you will get $50 at that moment, and you can take this money anytime. Anyway, we can enter the crypto.com, but first you have to know there is two crypto.com exchange. One of them is mobile app, the other is web page. We are using crypto.com mobile app. I'm entering the mobile app and coming to homepage. This is our menu and the etc. You can click the trade and you can choose buy or sell. For example, I click to buy. What I want to buy, for example, I want to buy XLM coin. I click the seller. You have three options to buy something. You can use credit card, you can use crypto wallet, you can use fiat wallet. Fiat wallet is a real money, country's money. You can use your own country's money. If, for example, if you are in the Germany, you can use euro. If you are in the England, or if you are in the United States, you can use dollars. Credit card, you can use your credit card in this option, and there is a discount 3.5 fee discount for this option, and you should add your debit or credit card in here. You can write. Anyway, and the crypto wallet, in generally we are using crypto wallet in this exchange. For example, my from crypto wallets, in my balance nearly I don't have any CRO. So for example, I have some CRO. I will write here how much I want to buy XLM, and then I click to buy. But now writing in foolish balance because of there is no any balance here. Anyway, and again, if I want to trade, if I want to sell something, I click again trade and sell. For example, in here there is writing what you have. You can see in this list what you have. You can see that I have now just Syrio now, and there is some option. For example, you want to buy Syrio, okay, but what you want to buy? You can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether. Tether is a stable coin. One Tether is $1. Or you can buy Ripple. You can buy Bitcoin Cash. You can buy BNB, Binance Coin, Chainlink, and a lot of coin in this option, because Syrio is the main exchange cryptocurrency in this exchange. Okay, anyway, and you can add some coins to your favorites list if you want. I can click see all. For example, Cardano. If I click the right star, and it will be fulfilled yellow, and then this is my favorite coin, and go home, and it's coming Cardano Ado. You can see second option. Anyway, and the other thing, let me think. You can send your money to, for example, other cryptocurrency exchange, other Bitcoin exchange, maybe Binance, maybe Okex, maybe KuCoin. Just click the transfer and click the withdraw. If you want your money to any other crypto.com users, you can click the first choice, and other options. You can, for example, your brother using crypto.com, and you can send your money to him directly, just using him his phone number. It's very easy. Just click some, maybe 3 clicks, you can send your money to your brother. For example, I want to send my balance to another big Bitcoin exchange. So I should click the external wallet. I just clicked the external wallet. In this option, I added my Binance XLM address before. But if you don't have any address in this here, you can click the plus sign, right top corner, you can see. Just click it and write your addresses, and then you can add to this list. For example, I want to XLM to my Binance XLM address. Just click withdraw XLM and write how much you want to send. You can send in dollars, or you can send in cryptocurrency amount, for example, and then just click withdraw. In this option I don't have, so it will be not go. Anyway, come back, click cancel. Okay, here is the options. Very good, crypto.com, and you can see refer and get $50. It's very crazy. If you sync up this exchange with my link or my referral code, you can see 3MNYQTMBGH. If you write this code and if you stake 1000 Cereal, you will earn $50. It's very crazy. It's very crazy airdrop, and this $50 bonus will go on till the end of the October. So you should be hurry up. If you and then, for example, in November you will get $25, not $50. So you should be hurry up. And then if any your friend sign up to the exchange with your referral code, he and you, or she and you will get $50. So it's very crazy. 1000 Cereal is nearly $130. So you will be, for example, it's very cheap money, and then you will get this $50. This is crazy, and I will give you a good, maybe check. Okay, I will tell you. For example, your friend, your brother download this mobile app, or your friend, and then he used your referral code, and he staked 1000 Cereal, and he will get $50. You will get $50. For example, you have $130 and stake it in your friend's phone, and you took that $50 from him to you. So you will get $100. It's very crazy. It's very crazy. But you have to first sync up this exchange and stake 1000 Cereal. You can use my referral link. It's very easy, and I can help you. You can contact me in Twitter or Telegram. I can help you anything about. If you want to share your link, just copy here, and then you can use this. Anyway, come back and card. You can see card. You can purchase a card. As a Ruby card is very good. You can hold if you stake 1000 Cereal, and you can purchase this card, Ruby Steel card. It's very good. You will get 2% cashback in your every every trade, every purchasement. For example, you went to market and you bought something and you paid, for example, $100. You will get $2 in this card. It's cashback, and that moment, and you can track your coins. You can watch some coins you want to see, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Chainlink, Polkadot, something like that. There's a lot of coin, and you can click account. In account, I have nearly $140, and I just clicked crypto wallet. I can see what I have now. I have a thousand Serial now, and it's priced nearly. And if you click, you can see it is staked. How much days I have to wait? Maybe 133 days I should wait. Okay, you can upgrade your card here. You can see, and this market. You can see the market serial price is changing, and as it looks like it's increasing. Then come back. Friend, maybe I told you all about crypto.com wallet and crypto.com exchange mobile app. This is mobile app. Notice this. I hope you like my video and understand about crypto.com. I hope you learned how you can use this mobile exchange. This is very easy, and it's very profit. You can use this exchange, and you can get a lot of money. I really need your help. Please like my video, please subscribe to my channel. I hope see you again next video. Bye bye.